Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get your Wise card. So first of all, we need to log into our personal or business account. So let's go ahead and log in. Once that we're here on the main page, we go here on the left panel and we click on cards. We then click on get your card. Now Wise will give you three options here, and you can get all of them if you would like. You can get an instant digital card, you can get a debit card for a fee to get delivered, or you can get the same but an eco version of it. If we click on debit card, you can see here that we can get all of these benefits and it will cost you £7 for this. So go ahead and then click order your card. If we want to get the digital card, then it will give you the same benefits and you can order your card for free. And if we want to get an eco debit card, again, you will get the same benefits and you can order your card right here. And there you go. So now you can order all of these three cards if you want. I would suggest going for the digital card for now so that you can go ahead and use this instantly. So I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.